Want to make an extra $1,000 every single week without working a 9 to 5? What if I told you that you could do it by selling options, even if you're a complete beginner? Stick around, because today I'm breaking down exactly how to get started, step by step. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to The Wealth Whisper, and I'm here to help you take control of your finances and build wealth one step at a time. Today, we're talking about selling options, one of the most powerful ways to generate consistent income in the stock market. And the best part, you don't need to be a Wall Street expert to get started. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make $1,000 a week selling options, even if you're starting with a small account. So, grab a notebook, and let's get into it. Options are financial contracts that grant the holder the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a specific stock at a predetermined price, known as the strike price, by a set expiration date. There are two types of options: calls, which allow buying, and puts, which allow selling. However, the real power lies in selling options. When you sell an option, you collect a premium up front from the buyer, regardless of whether the option is exercised. This premium becomes your immediate income. Selling options, such as cash-secured puts or covered calls, is a popular strategy for generating consistent returns, especially for beginners. It's like being the insurance company you get paid up front for taking on a specific obligation. With proper risk management and a solid understanding of the market, selling options can be a reliable way to build wealth over time, making it a cornerstone of many income-focused trading strategies. Think of it like this: you're the insurance company. You're selling a contract to someone else, and in exchange, they pay you a premium. Your goal is to keep that premium, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Selling cash-secured puts and covered calls are beginner-friendly option strategies to generate consistent income. With cash-secured puts, you sell a put option on a stock you'd like to own, collecting a premium up front. If the stock price stays above the strike price, you keep the premium. If it falls, you buy the stock at a discount. With covered calls, you sell call options on stocks you already own, earning premiums while agreeing to sell the stock at a higher price. Both strategies limit risk and provide steady income, making them ideal for beginners aiming to make $1,000 a week. Once you own the stock, you can sell covered calls. This means you're agreeing to sell the stock at a higher price if it reaches that level. Again, you collect a premium, rinse and repeat, and you can easily make $1,000 a week. For example, if you sell 5 put options and collect $200 per contract, that's $200 per contract, that's $1,000 in premium income. And if the stock doesn't hit your price, you keep the premium and do it all over again next week. For example, if you sell 5 put options and collect $200 per contract, that's $200 per contract, that's $1,000 in premium income. And if the stock doesn't hit your price, you keep the premium and do it all over again next week. Before diving into selling options, follow these 3 key tips to succeed. Number 1. Start small. Use only a portion of your portfolio to minimize risk while you learn the ropes. Number 2. Choose quality stocks. Focus on stable, high-quality companies you'd be comfortable owning long-term. Avoid volatile or speculative stocks. Number 3. Be consistent. Stick to your strategy and avoid emotional decisions. Consistency is key to building steady income over time. By starting small, selecting reliable stocks, and maintaining discipline, you'll reduce risks and increase your chances of success in generating $1,000 a week through options trading. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a proven strategy to build consistent income over time. To recap, selling options is a beginner-friendly way to make $1,000 a week. Start with cash-secured puts and covered calls, focus on quality stocks, and stay consistent. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, this is your sign to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep building that wealth.